Welcome to Redline Review. High-performance engineering and creative, fully functional interior design are combined in the 2026 BYD campervan, an electric vehicle. Built by BYD, a global leader in electric vehicle innovation, this motorhome offers zero-emission transportation without compromising speed, comfort, or style. Performance. The 2026 BYD motorhome's dual-motor all-wheel drive electric drivetrain can generate up to 600 horsepower and instantaneous torque. It can also travel up to 700 kilometers, 435 miles, between charges. BYD's Blade battery technology enables the RV to attain 80% charge in less than 35 minutes. The drive's low center of gravity and ingenious suspension system provide stability, smoothness, and whisper quietness even at highway speeds. External design: smooth, aerodynamic contours, a huge panoramic windscreen, and LED matrix lighting are all features of the futuristic exterior design. The RV is supported by 22-inch aerodynamic wheels and features a fully integrated solar panel rooftop for additional power. Its eye-catching front fascia and BYD's recognizable lighting strip give it a modern, high-tech look. Chic interior design: a chic yet ecologically conscious interior with state-of-the-art smart home technologies and sustainable materials greets you. The main bedroom has a king-size memory foam bed, LED mood lighting, automated curtains, and a personal entertainment system. Noise-insulated walls provide the maximum level of privacy and comfort. The bathroom suite contains a touchscreen-controlled anti-fog mirror, a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart toilet with bidet functions. Clean water systems are powered by BYD's filtering technology. Living area: a spacious living area with a 65-inch retractable smart TV, vegan leather couches, a desk that folds up, and a panoramic glass ceiling that can be made translucent or opaque. Kitchen: completely equipped with a smart induction cooktop, a digital inventory managed refrigerator, a touchscreen controlled oven, and a small dishwasher. Countertops are constructed from reclaimed quartz. Climate and light control: you may utilize smart sensors to change the temperature and lighting in your home. Everything can be controlled via the voice assistant, a smartphone app, or the primary touchscreen. Features and technology: an integrated solar array for off-grid support and backup energy, a hidden garage for an e-bike or scooter, semi-autonomous highway cruising with BYD Intelligent Drive Assist, satellite internet and global 5G connectivity, an augmented reality AR windscreen for navigation and hazard detection, and an intelligent energy management system for economical power consumption. The 2026 BYD motorhome is an all-electric, self-sufficient, luxurious mobile home that is more than just a car. Whether traveling internationally or camping off the grid, this RV provides modern travelers with state-of-the-art performance, creative design, and total eco-conscious luxury.